Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra Hardware number 22164 Storm Door Lever Handle Lock Set Deadbolt. So the 22164 is a deadbolt only. It's the deadbolt only that would otherwise be accompanying the 43550 or the 43552. Those are storm door locks that have levers. They feature a deadbolt up above. The 22164 is only the deadbolt. The package that comes from the factory is literally this. There's no installation instruction, so I'm going to endeavor to give you the best sort of tour of this product that I can. You're obviously going to have the exterior portion. And this is obviously in black, by the way. Going to include two keys. Those two keys are going to simply rotate that tail piece that's back there. That's all they're going to do. Okay. This key can be removed in either at 12 o'clock or at 6 o'clock. It can be removed. Dimensional properties of this. 2 13/16 height, the width about 1 5/8, the total projection about 1 3/8, as you can see. Let's take a look at the center of the screw holes. You can see from the top we're about 3/4 inch to the first one, then down to 2 5/16. So 2 1/2 inch. So 2 5/16 minus 1/2 inch would be 1 13/16 center to center, and that makes sense. About 1 13/16 center to center. Okay. Now, the inside portion, the deadbolt, thumb turn. That's just going to throw and retract. Dimensional properties of this. Overall height, about 2 3/4. Overall width, 1 1/4. Projection of the body appears to be about 11/16, but then to the knob about 1 3/16. Obviously the center line of those screws are going to be the same, about 1 13/16. The balance of the package is going to be a shim. It's going to be a strike plate. Give you an idea of the size of the strike. The overall size, about 3 1/16. Overall projection, about 3/8. It's just going to be intended to retain that bolt from the latch. Then you're going to get 4 screws. You'll get 2 long ones and 2 shorter ones, and that's obviously to help account for the thickness of the door that you're contending with. You're going to get 2 tail pieces. 1 short, 1 long. Now, here's what I know. The entire lock will work from doors from 7/8 to 1 1/4 thick. They list the center lines at 1 3/4 of the screws, not 1 13/16, so there you go. Obviously, if you're working on a thicker door, you're going to need longer screws. That's 7/8, you know. So the bottom line is this. They're giving you the 4 screws, the 2 tail pieces, and the shim to work for your range. I don't have a variety of wood thicknesses here to test all of it to tell you exactly how, but suffice it to say that you'll have what you require there. Now, the one dimension that I didn't give was the projection of the deadbolt from the edge of the case. So about 9/16. But from the center line of the screws to the edge appear to be about 1 1/4. So keep that in mind. Body is, so figure 5/8 of an inch is half of the body width. So keep that in mind when you're determining how far back you have to work with based on the projection of the bolt and the width of the body. Very nice, attractive black finish. There's no question about that. And certainly for the cost, I think it's a very good sort of option. The name Ultra is synonymous with very fair quality, very fairly priced hardware that's going to be used in residential and commercial applications. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Ultra hardware catalog and review all things Ultra hardware related in one single sort of download. If you have any questions on the Ultra, 22164, Storm Door, Deadbolt in black, or any other Ultra hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.